Hi everyone, this is Swati Singh. Welcome to my channel, and this is the second episode of DIY, and today we are going to make bookmarks. तो शुरू करते हैं. This is my absolute favorite. It's got a little cycle and I've put a cute ribbon also. I think I really like. Next, I have this envelope bookmark. I think it's a very new and an innovative idea you can have. I love bhalusa. So this is one, and finally we have these arrow bookmarks. It's got arrows here. So let's get started.
These are the things you will need. So for the first one, I'm taking a piece of cardboard. This is basically मेरी पुरानी file का गत्ता, and I'm making the shape I want. I basically want a arrow-like structure, so मैंने बस एक rectangle बनाया, उसके ऊपर एक triangle बना दिया, and I'm going to cut it. You can use any shape. You can even use a simple rectangle. And अभी मेरे पास ये pattern paper है, and I'm going to cover it. This is how it looks after covering it, and I've got so many stickers here and I'll be placing them. One reason why I use stickers are because it makes it attractive. And now I'm taking a puncher और मैं इसके center में एक hole कर रही हूँ. And now I've got these paper threads. It's a contrasting color, and this is how I will place it. And मैंने already कर लिया है, and this is how it looks. I've got this cute little summer cycle. I've got a camera. I think it makes it really cute and attractive. And मैंने एक card भी लगाया. I've punched it in the same way in which I've punched the cardboard. और मैंने इसको भी thread के साथ stick किया है. And if you want, you can even write a message inside this and give it to your friends. And now I'm putting these cute little heart studs, colorful बनाने के लिए. And I am also thinking of adding a ribbon here. So I've got so many ribbons here. And you can choose the color you want. I basically like blue and pink a combination, so I'm using this blue ribbon. This is how long it looks. But ribbon बनने के बाद obviously you can cut the extra part, and or if you want you can even double it. It will make it more poofy and attractive. So I'll just tie one here. And if you have a friend of yours who's a bookworm, then you can even buy a book for the person, and you can put this bookmark in that book. So you can gift her a book and a bookmark as well. So this is how the bookmark looks. This is the final look. You've got a summer theme, you've got a cute little note in it, and a ribbon. Looks like the perfect birthday gift for a friend. And this is how you can place it inside, and it's ready. Now for the second one, I'm taking this sheet of paper, and this is an envelope bookmark. So you take the paper, divide it from the center, and just cut out the sheet you want. Make sure you use a colorful one for this. And इसको center से थोड़ा ऊपर लेके just draw a nice, neat and clean crease. And now I'll be telling you one of the best tricks to fold a paper. Make sure ये 1 centimeter का पक्का हो, जो side lines हो, because अगर उससे कम का होगा तो अच्छे से stick नहीं होगा. Now take the scale, take your scissor, and जो line बनाई है उसके ऊपर एक neat crease बना दो. You will just see the magic right now. We'll be doing the same thing on the opposite side, and just see how nicely कितने प्यार से वो fold हो रहा है. There is no uneven cut or anything, and it is so neat and clean. Now ये जो ऊपर का extra part है, I'm taking a pencil and I'm drawing these extra parts, and basically ये L-like structure जो है मैं इसको cut करने वाली हूँ दोनों side से, because ये हमारे top का cover बनने वाला है. And it's done. Now I'm doing the same thing, जो pencil and scissor वाली trick है, because ऊपर वाला part भी neat and clean बन जाएगा. And देखो कितने प्यार से fold हो रहा है. And now we'll be sticking the edges here. I'm using a Fevicol. Please do not use a double side tape, because वो खुलने के उसके बहुत chances होते हैं, but that's not the case with Fevicol. And I'm taking my stapler and I'm pressing it. If you want, किसी book के नीचे भी रख दो, ये चिपक जाएगा. Okay, now I've made a pattern on this. I've made these curves here. If you want, you can make a rectangle, triangle, or a semicircle also. I think this looks really attractive. If you want, you can even make a semicircle or just a triangle or any design that you like. Now in order to make it more attractive, I'm going to give it some definition. So I'm just taking a black marker, place it on the top and make some lines, and just see how nice it looks. I think these black outline gives it altogether a different meaning. And look how spacious this is. If you want, you can even keep the first bookmark we made in this. So I'll just show you. See, I've kept a Fevicol, and this is how spacious this is. Now I know you must be wondering, how is this even a bookmark? So well, we'll be making the second part, which will just take 2 minutes. I've taken the same sheet of paper, I've cut out a rectangle and I fold it in half. Now if you remember, जो trick हमने use की थी scale और scissor वाली, वो same trick यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ. Again this is 1 centimeter and I'm going to fold it, and इसके अंदर सिर्फ यही part है जो fold किया हुआ है. That is the only part which is going to be stuck. So the two sides are stuck and two sides are open. Press it nicely with the stapler or आप book के नीचे रख दो. And this is the second part. Now I'm taking the envelope and इसके पीछे मैं इसको यहाँ पे इस तरीके से लगाऊंगी. I'm using a Fevicol for this. You can even use a double side tape. For this part definitely you can, and just stick it nicely. I'm going to use a stapler to just put some pressure, and your bookmark is ready. I'll tell you how to place it. Just open the page of the book, and जो book का नीचे वाला part है and इस envelope का नीचे वाला part है, just take it and place it inside like this, and your bookmark is ready. Now in the same way I have made this lion and this bhalu bookmark. मैंने इसके ऊपर square cut करके पीछे stick किया. You can cut out any piece of cartoon character you like. You can just take a print out also if you want, and you can place it. Also अगर आप एक college student हो और आपको बहुत सारे notes बनाने पड़ते हैं and you want to mark important pages, then you can make these bookmarks. This will hardly take you 5 minutes, and you can place these bookmarks in n number of pages, and you can use so many cartoon characters. This is the final one. This is the arrow bookmark. For this again I'm taking a piece of cardboard, and you can see that I've taken two contrasting sheets here. Now I'm marking कितना मुझको चाहिए, which is 10 centimeters. आप कितना भी लंबा या छोटा बना सकते हो. Okay, now the catch is, the reason why I've taken pink color but एक dark एक light है, because I'll be placing one over the other, so it will look really catchy. And now I'll be telling you how I'm going to stick it, the trick behind this. So just take the piece of cardboard, put Fevicol और उसको center में लगाओ. और मैंने यहाँ पे इसकी sides already cut किए हुए हैं, and I'm using the same scale and scissor trick. कितने प्यार से fold हो जाता है. And मैंने इसको already fold कर दिया है. I've even used cello tape to stick it, and I'm just marking. जो light color का paper है वो मैंने 8.5 सेंटीमीटर्स का डायमेंशन लिया है, एंड मैं इसको इसके ऊपर चिपकाऊंगी. सो यू कैन सी व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. यू कैन सी द डार्क लाइंस. एंड नाउ मैंने इसी पेपर से एक एरो बनाया है, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट डेफिनेशन बाय यूजिंग अ ब्लैक मार्कर. You can see the little things that you do make so much of difference in your projects. And now I'm taking a stapler और मैं इसको ऊपर रखूँगी, and just place it how much you want, where you want. I want a little above, so this is how it looks, and I'm going to just staple it. Now I am using this sticker. I'll be placing this on the top, and I've got another sticker. This is a cute little bear. I got it online and I just took a printout of it, and I'll be placing it. And just to bring a little more creativity and colors, I'll be adding these stars. Now I'm writing a message, shine bright, and it's ready. Now take the book you want. There are two ways of using this. One is obviously you just take it and place it, and you know the message that you've written on top can be read easily. Or the second thing is, जो पेज पढ़ रहे हो उसके पीछे bookmark रखो and take the arrow and place it like this. You can even place it on the line that you're reading or the word, and it's ready. हो गया.
I hope you all liked the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe karo, comment karo, share karo, and please let me know what is it that you want me to make for the next video, and I will definitely bring it. Thank you so much for watching.